Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake like Cheesecake Factory. Full guide. Preheat oven to 325 degrees F and prepare a 9-inch graham cracker crust pressed firmly into a springform pan. Mix room temperature cream cheese with sugar until smooth. Add sour cream and eggs one at a time, then gently fold in vanilla for a creamy batter every time. Gather ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and stress-free. Having 32 Oz cream cheese, 1 cup sugar, 1 cup sour cream, 2 cups crumbs, 6 tablespoons butter, 2 teaspoons vanilla, and 3 eggs ready saves time. Room temperature dairy blends better, and accurate measuring ensures consistent texture and bake time for a Cheesecake Factory-style result that feels. Follow a clear sequence to avoid common cheesecake problems like cracking or grainy texture. Start with smooth batter, pour into crust, and place the pan inside a larger tin with hot water for an even water bath bake at 325 degrees F. Bake until edges are set and center is slightly jiggly, then cool gradually and chill for at least 4 hours to achieve clean slices and a silky mouthfeel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.